Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. What if you could instantly add more storage and style to any room in your home? And I'm excited to share with you how the Kuhome over-the-door hooks can make that happen. This game-changing product is a must-have for anyone looking to maximize their space and keep their belongings organized. With its high manganese steel construction, this hook feels incredibly durable and solid to the touch, and the black sandblasting gives it a smooth, sleek texture. The Kuhome over-the-door hooks are well-reviewed and a popular choice among customers, and for good reason. They offer a unique combination of functionality and flexibility. One of the standout features of this product is its versatility. The towel rack is detachable, so you can easily assemble it to hang on a door or disassemble it to nail to a wall. The two removable rods can be taken out without the need for any tools, making it a breeze to customize to your needs. I love that this product is waterproof and rust-proof, making it perfect for hanging towels, bathrobes, or even kitchenware in damp environments like bathrooms or kitchens. The sound of the rods sliding in and out of place is smooth and reassuring, and the feel of the sturdy hooks holding your belongings in place is incredibly satisfying. Whether you're looking to add some extra storage to your bathroom, kitchen, or bedroom, the Kuhome over-the-door hooks are a great choice. They're perfect for hanging everything from towels and coats to bags and umbrellas, and the fact that they're so easy to install and use makes them a no-brainer for anyone looking to add some extra functionality to their home. Overall, I highly recommend the Kuhome over-the-door hooks. They're a simple, effective, and stylish solution to your storage needs. As always, links in the description. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.